Welcome to Common Cocktails. Dan, Derek, and Ian. Well, Ian's really just going to do all the work. He's going to start ahead of time.
Yeah.
We're going to make the KGB shot. It's a layered shot. Our executive producer is NCC 71201, who's also on the live stream. So thank you for being a subscriber.
By the way, I'm winging the measurements because they're all equal parts.
Yeah, I know.
Okay.
Yeah, you just measure by.
Can you do
A
that?
shot like that, do you really have to measure it out?
No.
That's what my argument's going to be.
Are you going to layer it like...
Yes.
You can hit the join button if you'd like to be like NCC.
You think it's going to work since we don't have
hang out with
Baileys?
us in the live streams.
I think it might be a different alcohol content. I don't know if it's going to layer properly.
It's on the bottom. Oh wait, shit.
You guys are
Wow.
shits.
It's on the bottom. It'll be fine. There's a lot of sugar. So
Wait a minute, what's supposed to be on the bottom?
We
I
understand.
will
What he's doing.
probably eat-
K,
K?
yes, KGB shooters layered.
G?
B.
So it's supposed to be. Let's just start this. It's supposed to be Kahlua, Bailey's, and Grand Marnier. We have Kahlua. I am not defined by a brand. So that name
There you are.
is just the drink.
The Common Man Cocktails brand.
Yeah, it's true.
I define my own brand, and my brand says you don't need to use things that have the letters at the beginning. It's going to be equal parts coffee liqueur, Irish
look at
cream,
that.
Grand Marnier. This should layer pretty easy. There is a little.
Remember, it gets a little bit wider as the top.
I was a little scared.
Thank you.
I was a little scared because this is 70 proof, and the higher level alcohol won't
I don't
sink
even
as
know
well.
what's in the bottom of this bottle.
Yeah, I don't know what's going on with this. That's fine. It's just old. So we have 2 bottles of Grand Gala just because. I was
Because we got to finish one up.
Right. So Grand Gala is a substitution for Grand Marnier. In a blind tasting, I liked it better, so I've been sticking with buying Grand Gala instead of Grand Marnier. But whatever. Buy whatever one. It still fits the G.
Yeah. Yeah, that's the G. It's just the middle part.
To layer this, this is a science game of is it absolute gravity or relative?
Specific gravity.
Specific gravity. I always get the
And
wrong.
you can
words.
probably link in our ancient episode where we talked about this.
I will link in the ancient episode because the data is all.
It's going to be
good.
over there?
No, here.
Oh, here.
We were at the table over there when we did it.
Oh,
So-
here?
This was some time ago.
Yes. So if you're going to layer something, you want to layer the thing with the highest density of sugar first,
You don't have to use
because
the
it's
spoon
going
again?
to sink, unless you're trying to get
the cloudiness.
the effect. That one may cloud a little bit inside the Grand Gala, but it's really not going to make that much difference. So you have to add a lot of volume before you're going to notice. If it sinks in, then so I guess
Oh,
we
does that
use
one
this.
go in the middle?
Is it pushing it up? Oh, that makes sense.
It is.
Yeah, we did this backwards.
No, that's the
We
way
should
they
have
say.
we should have done KGB instead of KBG.
Yeah.
It's all because the S.
Yeah. The S screwed it all
I
up.
messed you up, Ian.
It's going to be fine.
I have faith. It's probably going to taste okay.
So here's the reason. So here's
Look, it's
the
pushing it up, though.
Here's the deal behind layering. The things that have more sugar are going to push down. So if we had grenadine in here, it would fall all the way to the bottom. If we put it in last, it usually drags some of its friends with it. Right? So it gets cloudy
okay.
like that, which
Yeah.
is fine. It will actually probably be a little less cloudy. They do eventually sink in, I found out, because I left a product shot once in a tent, a photo tent, for like 6 days. Not a good idea.
No.
No. It was layered, and then later on it turns into chaos.
It doesn't stay like that.
It's all about entropy. So in this case, the Grand Gala has a higher level than the cream. Cream is lighter than usually everything, so it tends to be the thing that's on the top, and it's pushing it up. And you get that.
See, did you
the
want to
brain
make it so it
effect.
pushed it up?
Though it
No.
depends. If you added some recipes for the KGB, floated Cointreau on top, and Cointreau for some reason will float on top of this somehow.
Because it has a higher alcohol content.
Yeah,
lower sugar
even then
content.
it pushes it up over the cream. So sugar sinks, water stays right in the middle, alcohol's above water.
It's could have done it in the other order and it would have worked also.
Yeah, if you do it in the other order, it's just a tighter layer.
It's going to be
Oh
cleaner.
shit! I need to turn the camera on. Hold on.
Jump
No.
back.
Really?
Where's the producer? That's
I
what
know.
want.
God damn it. Oh.
Glad that was
So-
explained to us.
There. Now we've got our thumbnail for the video. Now we can try drinking because we need to do a 3-bottle tequila review after
You probably
this.
should have done it.
What are you doing?
I got it in my nose.
How did you?
Oh, because it's strong.
How did you get it
Yeah,
into your
it's
nose?
strong.
It went up. It
Yeah.
wicked up.
Remember when he's been trying to get it up?
You
It
figured it
finally
out.
went up.
It's a wicking effect.
Did you like plug your nose and breathe in?
No, I don't know what I did.
Dude, you look like you're high. Now everybody's gonna think you're drunk, and I'm gonna have to say no.
Oh, see, I'm not the drunk one.
Yeah.
It's
Yeah,
Ian.
did you see that they always say Dan is drunk already, but
Yeah.
I know you are.
And it's usually the first episode we do. I'm like,
Came out
Christ,
all right, I guess.
give
It
us
looks
some
like a
time.
brain shot or something.
No,
Was
it's
it?
perfect. I like the swirling chaos in the middle.
I don't know, but like, what are those
It
things
looks
going?
chunky.
No, it's not chunky. It's
It
just
looks chunky.
it's just
Do you
that
want
No.
the dairy tends
want
to
mine?
stream down
Do you want
through.
Dan's?
You gotta take that.
Oh, they're fine.
You gotta take one for the team.
All right, and chin.
All right, chin, shimmery.
As long as
All
1, 2,
right.
3, go.
Oh,
Looks like that's gonna have texture.
No.
No, it just tastes like coffee. It's
Sweet
just like
coffee.
creamy coffee.
yeah.
It tastes like an espresso shot from Starbucks.
It's going to feel like a bad morning, but it's going to taste like coffee.
See, it's a good way to get going.
You get a little orange on the.
Yeah.
On
And
the
ends
back
with a
end.
little bit
we
of
learned that
zesty
citrus
orange.
goes well with coffee back at the...
Yes. Citrus does go well with coffee. And that has citrus. And it has coffee. So it goes well. And then it's got the cream on top of it.
Yeah, it's not bad.
It's sweet. I wouldn't do
It's
a lot
sweet.
of these. And I
No.
wouldn't do them at the end of the night if you're drunk. Because this is
No.
not something you want coming back.
Mm-mm.
It will be very bad. It's
You
not
definitely don't want that.
Trust me.
You don't do creamy shit at
There's another
the
one.
end of the night.
There's another one though. Another thing you don't want to do, and I've done this by personal experience. Creme de menthe or aftershock, like cinnamon. Not gonna have.
No.
Like any of that, like Ice 101, any of those things. When they
No.
come back up, it takes like it takes your insides and all your nose hairs.
Like,
are
don't
burned out.
drink any of this shitty stuff. Like,
No,
late night.
There's nothing good about anything coming up.
no.
It doesn't
No.
matter what it
There's
is.
That's
really
true.
nothing good about doing shots after you've been drinking, thinking it's a good idea.
No.
It's not a good idea.
Never a good idea.
Well, shots are never a good idea. I mean, they are fun, but they're never a good idea.
But this is a simple shot that doesn't have a lot of alcohol in it, so it's just going to give us energy and sugar rush. It's not going to make us drunk.
It's not bad.
Combined between these, you might almost have like a regular cocktail.
I'm not a big fan of like the orange taste, so
You don't like
look
that
inside
orange?
now.
No.
They have some cool pod perks.
Did you say?
Thank God.
Thank God.
Because I only go type 2.
Yeah,
I
see,
need some support.
you can have them for free too.
For those that don't get the inside joke, they happen to work for a company that makes solutions for diabetics. Here they are showing off how you can use their product by
Yeah,
doing
see?
stupid shit like this.
Right.
Right. So there you go. That is the KGB shooter, all done because last month,
Not to make light of it.
No.
Of course. It's very serious.
when we were doing something, we were like, "Oh, KGB." He's like, "This is like a KGB." It was nothing like the KGB. Then we invented the Colombian KGB, or somehow came up with that
And then
cocktail.
you spelled
Oh,
it
that's right.
Yeah.
And when you said,
Yeah.
"Oh, it's a shot," but you can make it as a drink, and I was editing that video like a week ago, and I was like, "Oh, this is a good idea. Like, let's make that shoot."
That one wasn't bad.
No, that would be good.
Yeah.
No, we haven't
I'm
done
not a big
shots in
fan
years.
of the orange.
What?
Yeah, but I don't like it when
It still
like.
lingers. I'm still
Yeah.
You don't like that. You don't like
I'm just not a big fan of like
the orange flavor.
the
of
orange
that,
flavor with like
or
a
the
coffee.
combo.
I
Oh, you don't like
yeah.
combo. You don't like the orange.
Yeah, I'm just not a fan. But I mean, it was fine.
Dang, I love that stuff. Mixing those two together, it's like
That's,
Terry's chocolate orange with coffee.
I was thinking
Yeah,
Terry
see, I don't do
chocolate
that.
orange.
Yeah. Dude, come on. All right, sidebar. More videos down below. Austin Drinks Bartender Starter Kit. You could use coupon code DRINK15. Save yourself 15% until April 21st, 2021. I picked that date because it's a special day for the Common Man Cocktail crew. It's just because it's my birthday.
That's right.
So this expires on my birthday, so fuck
Oh,
everybody
yeah.
who wants the day after.
That's coming up pretty
I don't know.
Shit. I'm going to be like,
in a
how
couple
old are you?
months.
You're going to be before me.
35.
Oh, yeah, all right. That's it. We're just out of drink.